To crop a video in Capcut, start by opening the app and selecting the video you want to edit from your library or by recording a new clip. Once your video is uploaded, navigate to the editing interface and tap on the crop tool, which is usually represented by a square icon. Next, select the aspect ratio you want to use for your cropped video, such as 16:9 for a widescreen format or 1:1 for a square format. You can also choose from a range of preset ratios or enter a custom ratio to suit your needs. With your aspect ratio selected, adjust the crop area by dragging the corners of the frame to the desired position. You can also pinch to zoom in or out of the video to get a more precise view of the area you want to crop. As you adjust the crop area, you can preview the changes in real time to ensure you are getting the desired result. If needed, you can also rotate the video by 90 degrees or flip it horizontally or vertically to get the best possible composition. Once you are happy with your cropped video, tap on the check mark to apply the changes. You can then proceed to further edit your video by adding filters, music, or text, or export it directly to your device or social media platforms. It is essential to note that when cropping a video, you may lose some of the original footage, so it is crucial to review your video before applying the crop to ensure you are not removing any important elements. Additionally, be mindful of the video resolution and quality to avoid any degradation during the cropping process. By following these steps, you can effectively crop a video in Capcut and enhance your video editing skills. Remember to experiment with different aspect ratios and crop areas to find the best fit for your video content and creative vision.